Hi guys, we are going to solve the equation 2x plus 1 equal to 2 minus x. First of all, we're going to simplify the equation. From both sides of the equation, we're going to do minus 1 and receive 2x plus 1 minus 1 equal to 2 minus x minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. And we get minus 2 equal to minus x. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. We get plus 1. Now we're going to simplify again the equation. We're going to do plus x from both sides. And we will receive 2x's plus x equal to minus x plus x plus 1. Minus x plus x equal to 0, and 2x's plus x equal to 3x's. And we receive 3x equal to 1. Now we're going to divide by 3 and receive x equal to 1 divided by 3. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.